welcome to the Golan Heights. It
doesn't sound like anything, it just sounds like you've just woken up.
Okay. Good morning everybody, welcome back to the channel. Shmuel, the running tour guide from Marathon, Israel. We're in the Golan Heights, we're in the car. It's freezing, it's 4 degrees out, but I got my race number on. I'm getting ready. This is a challenge that's going to take us up and down volcanoes. We can appreciate these historically rich, geologically rich trails just before the festival of Pesach. We're going to enjoy our freedom. Remember to subscribe to the channel, drop a like, give us a comment. It helps us reach out to more people to enjoy the beautiful land of Israel. We're looking forward to it. Stick with us. Kids, enjoy the 3.5. Okay, the kids have come too. There's a beautiful family run, a 3.5 kilometer run on the edge of that volcano, Mount Hermon. They're going to get to see views of the Hermon. I'm not sure you can see it, snow in the background. So guys, a super place, a super choice. Marathon Israel runs everywhere. See you at the start. Welcome to the Golan Heights, to these rich historical hills, beautiful trails. Let's enjoy our freedom, stay warm, stay safe, and mostly enjoy each other.
For democracy.
For democracy.
We're running for democracy.
We're running for freedom. We're running for good things. Trail specialists here at the start of the Golan Volcano Challenge. Sky running it will be together with you. Right. Woo! We're off on another journey. Let's do this together in the Golan, next to a volcano, Mount Hermon. Beautiful.
Sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things.
Good morning.
Come on.
Gam lecha. Good morning again.
Good morning, Floyd. How are you this morning?
I'm doing wonderful.
A bit chilly.
Bit chilly, 4 degrees. Do you have any advice for me?
For you?
What should I do today?
Oh, I think you should take videos of the people running downhill, which is the most exciting part of the race. Some people take it really quick, some people are really careful, and you can see the different characters of the runners on the downhill.
So test myself out on the downhills, you
Yeah,
say? Okay,
that's the essence of the mountain, right? Of mountain running.
that's it.
Having fun in downhills.
That's
Right,
it.
Tal? Tal is one of the fastest downhill runners in Israel, I think.
Morning, Tal. How are you?
Great, how are you?
Well, it's a privilege to run with you, and I hope to learn from you.
Oh, thank you.
Have a great day.
You too.
Woo! Yeah! Woo! Oh, friends on the run. Enjoy. Hey, Robin. Yeah, my buddy. Yay! Look at these guys ready for the 14K.
Yeah.
It's cold. Anything you want to say?
Oh, it's going to be glorious.
Look how beautiful this is. Look how beautiful. You've come all the way. We're so happy to have you here. Enjoy Marathon Israel events. Stay the best.
Stay the best. You gotta come, you gotta come.
Woo! Woo! Hey, good morning. How's it, brother? I'll see you in the finish. Run fast, yalla.
Enjoy, mate.
Go. Go, 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 go! Go! Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm fine, how are you?
Oh, so good to see you.
Yeah, this is my first race.
Your first race?
I swear.
No ways!
Yeah,
What's your name?
Shlomo.
Shlomo. You're running your first race. Well, you've chosen the best. It's beautiful.
I think time will tell.
Time will tell.
Yeah.
And the time is not important.
Yeah.
What's important is to enjoy your time.
Look at that.
Look at that. Look at that.
Anything
Shlomo.
better than that.
Nothing better than volcanic peaks.
Hope to see you in the end.
I'll see you, Shlomo. Go well.
Good luck.
אהלן,
Boker Tov.
בוקר טוב, מה נשמע?
Ah, fantastic. Okay, friends, check this out. This is the volcanic pipe, and this is our first major climb going up Mount Avital. Avi meaning father, Ben is son. So behind us Ben, which is smaller, Bental, and Avital, which is bigger in front of us. This is going to be a climb of note. You're right! Good morning.
How are you?
I'm so good. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Happy to be here with you again. I remember running with you last year, singing songs.
And good luck.
And good luck to all the runners and to all of our followers and to our international running community. Come and join us here in Eretz HaKodesh.
We run everywhere.
We run everywhere. Thank you, Yoram.
Welcome.
Good morning, ma'am. How are you? Keep it going. Looking good. Wow, look at that climb ahead of you. Don't be scared. It's all good. Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
Great.
What's your name?
Moti.
Moti. Moti, how are you feeling up this hill, this mountain, this volcano?
It's okay, great.
It's okay?
A little bit cold, but it's okay.
Yeah, the cold is good. It'll keep us fresh.
Yep.
Yeah. Good morning, ma'am. Boker tov. מה נשמע? איך קוראים לך?
שחר.
שחר. טוב, אל תדברי עכשיו. Don't talk now. Keep your breath for the rest of the run.
Usually I'm a cyclist. I'm
Okay,
a road cyclist,
right,
but I wanted to race this thing to show my body that this can do anything.
right.
But after the 32k, I want to see what happened to my mind,
Oh, yes,
because this is the important thing here.
that's it. Itamar is doing the right thing, challenging his mind, challenging his body. Even though he's a cyclist, he's taken to the volcanic trails to appreciate this beauty. Look at that, friends. I mean, honestly, you have to come and see this. Marathon Israel run these events in the most beautiful places in the land of Israel, and we're just about to reach the top of Avital. This is the first big climb on the 32 kilometer. We have about 700 meters of climbing, 3 volcanic mounts, Bental, Avital, and Yosifon. You'll see them all together with us. So even though we're running, you're running with us right now. Enjoy it. Subscribe to the channel. Drop us a comment. Let us know if you enjoy these events. Let us know if you're coming to the next events. Ask me about some of the events, and we can bring you here with us next time. It's much better physically than it is virtually. And there you have it, Kibbutz Ein Zivan. Check it out. Surrounded by beautiful oak orchards, Alon Habashan in the Golan. Good morning. No, I have to say thank you, because it is so cold for you guys to be out here for us. Toda rava. Thank you so much. 4 degrees cold, and you've got smiles on your faces. Thank you so much. Toda rava.
Mine.
What are your names?
Yoav. Tamar.
Itamar, Yoav,
Alon.
Alona, Eyal, Dvir, ו... בוקר טוב, מה נשמע? What's your name?
Jonathan.
Jonathan, thank you, Jonathan. Wow, they're here to give us ice cold water. You don't have a cup of coffee or tea?
No.
No, glühwein. Nothing. Oh. ברוך אתה אדוני אלוהינו מלך העולם שהכל נהיה בדברו. Good morning. How are you? The best, eh?
The best thing ever.
Totally the best scene ever. Do you want to join me on the downhill?
It's fantastic, yeah.
Okay, catch me. I'm going. I'll see you there. Catch me if you can. Wow. Look at that. Nice shoes. So if you do decide to come and run this run, bring your trail shoes. But as I said, it's not too technical. So if you fear that you're not a trail runner, you can definitely do this. What's your advice to a trail runner?
Take it slowly, enjoy the road. It's really different than the times you are in the road, that you have time and you want to run fast. Really enjoy it, that's it.
Wow, you see how many runners say that. That's what I do love about trail runners. It's much more about the enjoyment. You don't have to worry about the sub 3 marathon or the sub 1.5 hour half marathon or the sub 40 10k. It's not the point. The point is to challenge yourself and to enjoy the ups and downs of life, which is very symbolic of the ups and downs of the trails. Thank you, Rafi.
Enjoy.
Lovely to meet you. Shabbat shalom. Chag sameach. Chag sameach. The festival of our freedom. Freedom! And here we have more angels. Malachim. Alufim. Ze kar bachutz, אבל תודה רבה. It's time to eat banana. Beautiful bananas, fresh bananas. You can have dates, you can have chalva.
Cheers.
But I'm going to go with something healthy. Cheers. Catch me if you can, and I caught you, and I could, and I did. Yes. Enjoy it. Baruch atah Adonai melech haolam, borei pri ha'adama. Amen. And איזה אדמה יש לנו?
אתה הולך בכיוון ההפוך.
מה זה כיוון ההפוך?
הכל בסדר? לא?
Good morning, sir. How are you feeling?
Absolutely brilliant.
Yeah, you hungry?
You got me with food in my mouth, sorry. No, I'm not actually hungry, but a little bit.
Exactly. So eat now before you get too hungry. Wonderful. How are you guys? Good morning. How are you feeling? Oh, that's a healthy cough. Good morning. Oh, Shlomo on his first race. Good. Enjoy. Still smiling. Keep it up. Beautiful, soft sunlight.
Morning, Smiling.
Good morning. How are you?
Good on you.
You feeling good?
Yeah, and you.
Wonderful. What's the plan?
Go easy on that one.
That one is called Yosifon, actually called Tel Yusuf after Josephus. Josephus Flavius, yes, the Second Temple historian. And actually he was the one that started the rebellion against the Romans in Yotfat. But he was captured by the Romans and he became the primary historian that we rely on to understand the Second Temple period.
Wow.
Yeah, so we're running the historical footsteps.
Thanks for that.
It's a pleasure, anytime. Well, just enjoy every step.
Sure, yeah. See ya.
See you, brother. Let's do this! Mount Yosifon. Never fear, there's a volcano near. Come on, give it horns. Rafi! Let's go! Hey! Good morning, my friend. You're looking good.
It's not a race if you don't pass.
You want to conquer this mount with me? Let's do it. It's going to erupt. Now the true climbing begins. We're in the shade. It's back to being cold. But this should warm us up as we get to the lava.
Oh, it's hard to run and talk.
Nah, well, you're talking, you're running.
Oh, a little bit.
Nah, very nicely. You have potential, come on.
One more step.
One more step. I think I can. I will. I'm gonna catch you. Be scared. Beep beep. Meep meep. Wow, wee wah. It never ends. The beauty. Okay. Bugger this. I'm gonna walk. This is too tough. There's nothing like walking. Running's a great sport, but walking is fantastic. This guy doesn't agree. He likes running. Yeah. I think he's been drinking too much wine. My friend, I'm back. My battery died earlier. Anything you want to say?
This is the best place in the world to be.
Best place?
Come run Israel marathons. The best one in the world.
It is.
Most beautiful sceneries, most beautiful weather, most beautiful people.
אוהב אותך. יאללה. Go, 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 go. I can't keep up with him. He's too strong. Holy volcano. Woo! This is steep. Yes, we've made it to the top of Mount Yosipon. Let me take you into the bunker quickly. Look at this fortified building. Wow, what a rich place to learn about the 6-day war, the Yom Kippur War. Never forget these footsteps that I'm now taking in the bunker brought me to the ability to do what I'm doing. Okay, so this isn't on the official route, so don't do what I do. I am a licensed tour guide, so I know where I am. But for the rest of you, stick to the trails. Yay! Rock stars! אלופה, תודה רבה. בוקר טוב. The vibes. This is what I call volcano vibes. Woo! Ta-da! Fantastic. I hope you can hear me. It's very windy. But I also just have to show you another view towards the Sea of Galilee. The lowest freshwater sea in the world, right next to the Golan Heights. 30% of the water that reaches the Sea of Galilee comes from these mountains. Wow! I gotta hold on to my hat here. It's windy. Woo! Good morning. How are you?
Good, fine. How are you?
Good. What's your name?
Omri.
Omri?
Yeah, and you?
Shmuel.
Nice to meet you.
Are you enjoying it, Omri?
Of course.
Yeah? What's your favorite part so far?
וואלה. העליות זה האתגר, אבל כל המסלול כיף.
כן?
תראה איזה נופים, אחי.
That's what he's saying. Yeah. Everything is beautiful. Everything is good.
מאיפה אתה?
אני ממודיעין. Thank you. Good morning, sir.
Morning.
How are you?
I'm excellent.
What's the rush?
I don't know, it's a race, so I'm rushing.
That's a good point.
Yeah.
I can see the wind is blowing in your hair.
Yeah. It makes it safer in the downhills.
That's true.
Yeah.
You should pin your race number on.
I could.
It's a better idea.
Yeah, I know. But don't want to take the time.
Okay. What's your name?
I'm Ilya.
What?
Ilya.
Ilya.
Yes.
Ilya.
Hello.
Lovely to meet you. Slow down. Slow down. Moving views on the Golan Volcano Run. Moo! Good morning. Hello guys. Thank you. We're milking it. We're milking it. ארוחת בוקר. את יודעת? כן. מה יש לי?
מה זה?
זה 32GI, high intensity, זה טעים רצח.
וואו, אז יאללה,
כן.
תאכל את זה.
אפשר לעזור לי קצת?
כן,
שנייה. רוצה לפתוח את זה.
רוצה שאני אפתח לך?
32GI, זה מישהו מדרום אפריקה,
אוקיי.
קוראים לו מרק וולף, וזה הדבר שהכי חשוב בריצה. ברוך אתה אדוני אלוהינו מלך העולם, שהכל נהיה בדברו.
אמן.
וואו.
טעים?
Delicious. You have to try it. Even if you don't run, you got to eat it. It's yummy. שלום ילדים. היי, כל הכבוד. איך אתה מרגיש? זה קשה לך לעשות את זה? בקור? לא קשה לך? לא? וואו. מה נשמע? איך זה? זה כיף להיות פה? איך קוראים לך?
דורי.
דורי? מאיפה אתה דורי?
לא
Merom Golan. Here we have a local from Kibbutz Merom Golan. He's helping us out. תודה רבה. כל הרצים אומרים תודה רבה לכם. ואתה גר במקום הכי טוב בעולם. הכי מדהים.
הכי טוב בעולם.
בהיר, יפה. The most beautiful place in the world. These are young Jewish boys growing up in Kibbutz Merom Golan, which is the first kibbutz in the Golan Heights after the Six-Day War. And here you are keeping us safe on the border of Syria and Lebanon. Be strong. חזק. חזק, חזק ונתחזק. עם ישראל חי. כל הכבוד. תביא לי כיף. כיף. Woo! This is the ultimate trail running scene. Nike trail, vineyards,
I'm following you.
and snow on top of Mount Hermon.
I love what you do.
I love what you do. What's
I
your...
love what you do. You make us do what we do.
How are you feeling today?
I'm great.
Yes?
A little bit tired. But okay. The wind is crazy.
Yeah, the wind is crazy. We've been running into the wind for the last 45 minutes and it is back to being cold.
Yeah.
Anyway, we'll get there together.
Yeah.
And we'll enjoy.
Thank you, man.
We'll enjoy a glass of wine.
Keep doing
at the
a good
finish.
job, man.
Thank you. You too.
Bye.
I'm here with Yevgeny. We're at the half marathon. איך אתה מרגיש?
בסדר.
בסדר?
כן.
רוח לא קשה.
התלבשתי.
Okay, yeah, you see, Yevgeny is well dressed for this ice cold wind that we're going through. Look at these beautiful forests. This is a J&F forest bringing back the beauty of the land of Israel. Israel is one of the only countries in the world with a positive growth rate in trees. So it really is becoming like the Garden of Eden. Wow, look at this beauty. Hi, Manishma, Boker Tov. Yeah, I agree. That's the way to do it. You know what? Have no fear. The water is clear. Let's get in here. Woo-hoo-hoo! Icy cold. I've got cold feet. Hi. Hi, Manishma. How are you?
Okay, how are you?
Remember I met you last year?
Of course. What is
You can't miss the South African.
How's it, brother? Lekker, man. How you doing? What's your name?
Paul.
Paul, how's it, Paul?
Yeah, great.
You having a good time?
Worst time I could ever have.
Tell me, why? Nah.
No. That's for the promo.
Okay.
The best ever. Best ever.
There we go. What's the
Come to the volcano run.
Woo!
Come to Israel for the volcano run.
You see, you got to listen to South Africans. We know
Exactly.
what
We know what we're talking about. You're smart guys.
What's your favorite part so far, Paul?
The uphill.
The uphill.
The uphill. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
You'll enjoy it. You'll love it.
We run the uphills. We just walk the flat.
Exactly. That's
Okay.
the way to do it.
Great, Paul. Well,
Okay, take care. Thanks so much.
Lovely to meet you. We'll chat at the end.
Yeah, sure.
Where were you born?
Cape Town.
Cape Town, the most beautiful city in the world. Go and run the Two Oceans Marathon between the Atlantic and the Indian. Thanks, Paul. Check out this section. Proper trails here. Whoa! Careful. Getting intimate with the Holy Land here. It is pretty, but you have to watch your step. Mount Bentel in the distance. The finish. Around about 7 k's to go. We can do it. I really need your help. This is too tough. We're at 27 kilometers almost.
Yep.
I don't know how you are running.
Let's do it.
What are you taking? I want some of what are you taking? Oh, look at this. Such a moving view. Good morning, guys. Hey, there's a baby calf. Hello, number 392. Wow, it's the Wild West out here. This is definitely the toughest section of the run. Climbing up to Bentel, heading to the finish. You don't think it's the toughest yet?
Not yet.
Okay, for me this is tough enough. What's your name, sir?
Yogev.
Yogev?
Yeah.
Hi, Yogev.
How you doing?
You've enjoyed it, hey?
Oh, very much.
But that wind was really freezing in our faces most of the way. But that's what makes you tough, right?
Yeah.
That's what trail running's about.
All about.
Challenging yourself.
Yeah.
Never giving up.
Never.
And waiting for the beer at the finish.
Oh, yeah.
I'll see you there.
Good to see you.
Good luck. Wonderful. Good to see people running at this stage. In all her glory, Mount Bental. Now we've got to get up there. Oh no. Are you ready for it?
Yeah, I'm ready.
That's good.
Yourself?
You take me up there. You take me up. Come on. Help me. Help me.
God bless uphill intervals.
There we go.
Yeah. How far are we?
Not far. This is a new addition to this year's finish. This is the 8th running of the Golan Volcano Run, but this year they're taking us into the volcanic pipe in between Bental and Avital. This is where the lava spewed out millions of years ago and formed the Golan Heights. This is special. Check this out. We're happy about the new route finish, but Adi and myself are struggling up this very tough climb. It's not every day you can climb out of a volcano, right?
Yeah.
How are you feeling, Adi?
וואלה, מטורף, מה?
מטורף?
מטורף.
כן, היה כיף?
עוד לא סיימנו.
אבל
כן, היה כיף.
כמעט בסוף.
כן, נדיר, אחי.
יופי. יאללה.
עלה, עלה. עלה, עלה!
Allah, Allah, Allah. To the top. To the top. Let's do this. We're not gonna get this. We're not gonna let this volcano beat us. Whoa! And look at that view coming up. And I'm not talking about the water station. Look at that. Wow. The best view we've had today of Mount Hermon. Right. See you at the windy finish. Oh, this is truly nuts. This is gale force winds that have picked up here. Check the race number. Oh my gosh. This has not been easy. I will be completely honest with you. It's taken a challenge, a mental challenge, to stay focused in the cold wind.
That's a crazy race, right?
It's a crazy race. Crazy beautiful.
Yeah, good do it.
Look at that. If you're looking for trails that are geologically rich, historically rich, then you've got to come and run one of our Marathon Israel events. This is one of my favorites. There are many, but this has to be one of them. Look at it. Just look at it. Never take beauty for granted. Appreciate the beautiful world we live in. Hi. I don't want this to end. It's tough, but I don't want it to end. Here we are running on volcanoes, but in a few weeks' time, you can run on the mountain of the Galilee, the conical historical hill of Mount Tabor. So get your registrations in, marathonisrael.co.il. Come and run with a running tour guide. Oh, smile for the camera. Thank you to the photographers. Okay, we're going live again. Sorry, had some technical issues, but let me take you in to the finish of the Golan Volcano Run. What a challenge. What a beauty. Look at the smiling faces. Oh, I gotta say hello to the family. Oh, the finish is there? Hi guys. Yay! Did you have fun? How was your run?
No, they didn't run. Oh, they ran. They didn't run.
Okay, so guys, you're on live. Anything you want to say about the 14K?
Wow, it was so beautiful.
Yes?
Amazing, one of the nicest runs I've done.
I didn't enjoy the wind, but it was beautiful. There you go. Nama, you didn't run? No. Oh my gosh.
We'll explain later.
Okay, we got to teach these kids. Anyway, let's finish walking and enjoying. Thank you, Marathon Israel. Woo! Fantastic event. The most beautiful in the world. The Holy Land. There ain't no other land like the Holy Land. Woo! Alufim, you guys are the best. Thank you for your hard work. You're great. אני רוצה בירה. Ice cold beer, glass of wine. Thank you everybody. Thank you to Marathon Israel. Wishing you guys, firstly, a festival of freedom. Pesach kasher v'sameach ממרתון ישראל לכולם. עם ישראל חי. Unity is strength and beauty is best. We'll see you in the next one. Wait a sec, before I leave you, I just want to show you Marathon Israel provide all of the infrastructure for a great family holiday. Yay, Judah! Yeah, it's fun, right? And it's so nice to check out the snow. What do you think of the snow, Kai Lulu?
It's cool.
And you, Namalulu?
Very pretty.
It's so pretty. There we go. Remember to subscribe to the channel, guys. I'll show you more of the beautiful places in Israel. Drop us a comment, let me know what you thought of the run, and of course hit the notification bell so that you receive notifications when the next video comes out, and give us a like. Shabbat shalom, peace out, love you guys. Volcano run! Woo! Volcano run is done, but now it's time for some family fun. We've decided to come to Kibbutz Ein Gev en route home to come and enjoy a piece of paradise. It's picnic time! Yay! Judah, what do you think of this view? Wow! Check it out! Ain't it beautiful? We're looking across the Sea of Galilee to Tiberias. Look at that, Jude! One of the 4 holy cities in Israel.
Daddy, what's that, a boat?
That's a boat. Oh no, that's not a boat. That's called a buoy, a buoy.
Yeah.
Look.
Well, what's that?
So that's it, friends. The run's all about fun. The run's all about family. The run's all about beauty. What a place we have to appreciate the blessing of being alive. So we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.
Do.